Hello, my name is Ridwan. I'm the chef of the Blue Karma Secret. Today here, I'm at Villa Kahlua, one of the luxury villa belong to the Blue Karma Secret. I'm gonna cook today here and I'm gonna unlock my secret recipe here at Villa Kahlua. Hi everyone, welcome to second episode of our Chef Secret. Now I'm gonna make the dish called the Asinan Udang. For the first time, what we're gonna do, cut this chili, sit it out, and we're gonna blanch it around 1 minute. So after we blanch this chili, I'm gonna cut this chili into the food processor. Okay, then I'm gonna add the roasted peanut, shrimp paste here, I have a sherry vinegar, fresh coriander leaf, torn apart like that. I have salad oil here, seasoned with salt and pepper. Okay, then we're gonna start blend this one. After we finish the blender, the chili, now I will strain this one into the fine strainer. I'm gonna use this mandolin to slice, wash this one into ice water. Now I have the roasted beetroot that I already roasted, this one. So I'm just gonna cut. I will take a few of the small leaf for some garnish later on. So I will poach this tiger prawn. Gonna boiling this water just with salt. Okay, slow down. I'm gonna add shrimp to poach it down. Whenever you see shrimp as already shrinking like that, so it means it's almost there, ready. Now we're gonna season the shrimp, the poached shrimp, with salt and pepper. Give some little bit of salad oil there. I will just squeeze 2 slime into our chili emulsion, and I'm just gonna drop to the center of the bowl. White cabbage, make like a bowl shape. So we'll add 3 shrimp per portion. Now I'm gonna add the sliced roasted beetroot that I already cut. I'm gonna add swell with the. Then I will have watercress, and I have the butterfly peas flower, and the last touch. So to serve this dish, I have pickle liquid that I already made, and Asinan Udang ready to serve. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, you can subscribe here. And if you have any question or comment, you can go down here. And thank you again for watching this video. I hope you enjoy, and I will see you again in our next secret recipe.